Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Mendez and I'm your finance manager here at Step 1 GMC Fort Walton Beach, and I want to go over some of my favorite features of the 2026 GMC Canyon. So it's super simple in this Canyon to be able to switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive simply just by turning this knob. And then of course you can make it even more simple by just keeping it on auto and the truck will do the work for you. You do also have a lot of the safety features. So you'll notice on the outside mirrors that you do have blind spot monitoring. You do also have forward collision alert and adaptive cruise control. All you have to do is push this button on the steering wheel to decide how far of a gap you want to be between you and the car in front of you. You do also have lane keep assist, which is this button here. It'll make sure that you stay within your lane, or it'll warn you if you're going into another lane and there's a vehicle there. You also have the dual climate control as well, so that again, everybody is comfortable with where they want their temperature, but of course you can sync it as well with the simple push of a button. And the driver's side and the passenger side also has the heated seats. So again, everybody's comfortable while traveling, whether it's short distance or long distance. Thank you so much for watching. Those are some of my favorite features on this 2026 GMC Canyon. If you have any questions or you want to come see this beauty, come see us at 329 Miracle Strip Parkway across the street from Liza Jackson Park, right here at Step 1 GMC, Fort Walton Beach. We look forward to seeing you.